Today we're fixing this thing while wearing this annoying thing. Let's start with this annoying sound. Make sure to jack the car up, make some more annoying sounds. Give that a spank. We're going to go ahead and take off these bolts, one on the top and bottom, to get the brakes out of there. Another spank. And another. Then we'll go ahead and zip those guys out of there.
Oh, yeah. It's going to be a good day.
Spank your rotor too. Set that off to the side. And we're going to take off this 10mm bolt, which is the wheel speed sensor, and then these 4 T60 Torx bolts. Now pay attention, because this next part to get this old bearing out is very, very delicate.
Ow.
This bad wheel bearing made the car sound like a spaceship. Then you get your brake clean and use it very sparingly. A little goes a long way. Now this bearing was giving me trouble because it wasn't sliding in smoothly. There was some rust buildup on the inside. That's okay. We'll just go over here. Get your favorite toothbrush. Walk back. Make sure I suck my fatness in to fit. And I'll spare you guys from this glorious sound that's happening here. Now it goes in nice and smooth. Get all the bolts in there, torque to spec. Get the speed sensor in there snug. Throw that rotor in there. Make sure to put that screw back. Just kidding. Stupid things. Torque your brake bolts in. Throw that wheel back on. Torque them down to spec. Very neatly put away your tools. Now before any celebratory ice cream, go ahead and click that subscribe button. God bless you. Set her down on the ground. Now, go get some ice cream.